how to fold your UPPAbaby Vista 2018. The locker, stand for handlebar, pull with the 2 levers, and push down. Also has a little stand which is quite handy. And then to undo, there's a little switch there, pick that up, and then you can also do it with the toddler seat on. So lock. So I'm just going to show you a few additional things about the UPPAbaby Vista 2018. It comes included with Raincovers, which are very easy to put on. This is the bassinet. They're pretty snug, but are very effective in keeping them dry, which is good. And one for the toddler seat as well, equally easy to put on. Just put it over and down. And the hood can be extended as well whilst it's on. Like that. Okay. Now the baby bassinet, one of my favourite things about the bassinet is the easy one-handed lift to take it off, which is great if your baby's sleeping. So that comes off easily like that. Now the toddler seat has a great recline as well. Just push the button at the back and it goes right down flat. And this part is also adjustable as well. The leg rest is also adjustable. Now if you're going over slightly rockier ground, then the wheels, it's useful to lock the wheels. And you can do that easily by just pressing this button to unlock like that, and same with the other side. I'll just take this off for a moment. Finally, I just want to show you on the toddler seat, the bumper bar comes up and of course just clips in like that, and then you easily undo it just by pressing the button underneath. And the 5-point harness, which is great for safety, clips in very, very easily like this when toddler is in, like that. And the straps are obviously adjustable, and there's also 3 different levels depending on the size of your child, so you can adjust that according to their height to make it comfortable and safe.